I'm training 10-year-olds right now in Mexico. So if I can train 10-year-olds in Mexico, I can train 10-year-olds in Brooklyn.
Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do anything better than.
Yeah.
We did this for humanity. We have a job called, a career called CSG,
CSG.
Certified Site Giver. If anybody needs a career, we train you.
Those are actually for 3D glasses. For the movies, we'll make prescription 3D glasses. So when people go to the movies, they don't have to wear their eyeglasses underneath of the 3D.
It gives you the ability to do an eye exam and make a pair of glasses by hand in under 5 minutes for
That's
under
awesome.
$5.
That's awesome.
So, here again, these beautiful, beautiful people, of course, beautiful, beautiful women are here to get eye care and eye exams. This is the mayor. She is the mayor. This is how a mayor is supposed to look, and this is how she's supposed to treat. And you understand, everyone here feels very comfortable around their mayor. She is the warrior for her community.
And instead of your kids being dependents, they're now assets.
I'm hotter than the sun when I got that black gold. Got drafted #1 all because my black gold. Thought I wouldn't amount to nothing, I'm black gold. Now I'm just shining, remind them that I'm black gold. I'm hotter than the sun when I got
What we're doing down here is trying to teach y'all how to get the fuck away from this demonic system. So we're doing it first so y'all can see it's easy. And we can walk away from this system together. And what they're trying to do to us, they can't do to us without us going along with it. So all of us walk away from this shit. It ain't
Absolutely.
worth it.
This is called the eye knock, eye doc. So what you can do is in 2 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, you do your own prescription. In 2 minutes, just like a pair of binoculars. You don't need a doctor stand next to you saying better 1, better 2. No, you do it yourself. It requires no power, no batteries.
Look in my eyes. In the future, I don't see my demise. Word to the wise, you probably want to bite off my 5 guys.